I just built an AI voice employee in under 10 minutes. Here's what it sounds like.
Hey, this is James from Nova Echo. How can I help you?
Hey James, can you tell me a little bit more about what kind of offerings you guys have?
Absolutely. Nova Echo offers advanced conversational AI solutions that can enhance your sales and customer service efforts.
Yeah, it's crazy. I know. And you can build an agent just like that can answer questions about almost anything in under 10 minutes as well. So let me show you exactly how you can do it in this video. I think it's awesome that instead of spending so much time and money on training and hiring and managing and motivating setters and first level customer service reps, we now have an AI that can do all of it. So I'm going to get right into this without further ado and show you how you can set this up for your business. So the first step is to go into the Nova Echo AI dashboard and go to an outbound agent. Now here, I'm going to choose English as the language. I'm going to pick this phone number right here. The initial message is the first thing the AI says when it's calling somebody. So we're going to say, hey, how you doing? And by the way, to get access to this dashboard, I'll put a link down in the description. Now for the voice, I picked Troy. That was the voice I just used, but there's a lot of different ones that we can pick from. So I think I'm going to go with Abby for now. And by the way, you can listen to all the voices.
Hello, I'm Abby. I'm here to
hear what each of them sound like.
Hello, I'm Valeria.
Hello, I'm Troy. I'm here to assist you with any questions.
I do like Troy as well, but I think I'm going to go with Abby for now. And we're actually going to put the initial message delay at 1 second, so it takes less time for it to say this right here. We're going to move this to sensitive. That way the latency is a little bit lower and it speaks faster. And then we're going to turn on the double call feature, which calls people twice in a row to get past do not disturb. And we're going to move the AI creativity a little bit up, so it's a little bit more dynamic and innovative in its speech. Then for the prompting, we're going to actually just choose a template here. I'm going to do B2B SaaS sales qualifying call, and you can go through this and make some adjustments. So I'm going to say your name is Jordan, you're a senior, This looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So this would work for many businesses. So let's pretend that my company is not called Cloud Innovative, but instead it's called Cloud Solutions. Okay, so now instead I'm going to remove this. I'm just trying to show you guys how easy it is to switch. And I'm going to look up Cloud and Solutions. You can spell a couple things wrong because AI can make it out. So don't even worry about that. So I just replaced the name of the business fully with Cloud Solutions. So now the name of my imaginary company is within this script. So that only took me a minute and my script is pretty much ready to go. Now, obviously there's a lot of prompt engineering and all kinds of cool things that you can add to the script and that the Nova Echo team will usually add to the script for you if you want them to, because it can get super, super complex and super, super interesting and amazing. But this is simple. It works and you can start making calls with it today. So let me go on to the next step. I'm going to press save agent. I'm going to name it. I'm going to do test demo 1, save. Then I'm going to minimize this tab again. I'm going to copy the agent ID and I'm going to go back to settings. I'm going to go to custom values, and then where it says initial call agent, I'm going to press edit. I'm going to delete this. And I'm going to paste the agent ID of the agent I just created. And that's going to automatically make it so all the initial calls that I do with the AI are done by the agent that I just created, because it tracks it with the agent ID. Next, we're going to go back to the Nova Echo AI dashboard. We're going to go to purchased numbers. And then we're just going to copy the phone number that we have so we can paste it back into the custom value section in Nova Echo CRM. So we're going to go back here. We're going to go to where it says phone number right here, the from number. And we're going to just paste that, and then we're going to delete the dashes and the spaces. So now you're going to press update, and then the phone number will actually update so that all the calls made with the AI are made from that number. And then last but not least, we're going to come back to the Nova Echo AI dashboard, and right here on the main page, we're going to copy the client ID, and then we're going to go back once more. We're going to go to where it says client ID, and I already did this for you guys, but we would just delete that and paste it right in here, which would bring the client ID, which is kind of like the identifier of your account, into Nova Echo CRM. Now, once you've done that, you are good to go. So we just fully set up an AI sales agent in under 10 minutes with the prompting, choosing a voice, adjusting settings, and making sure that we get all of the agent's components into the CRM for Nova Echo. And now let me quickly show you how the agent will work within the CRM. So when it initially makes sales calls, they're going to come right here. Now, if the person picks up on the other side of the phone but does not book an appointment, it will come here and the AI will automatically follow up with that person. If there was no answer, the AI will follow up with the exact same agent because the person didn't even hear that agent yet. So we'll just keep following up. If the person booked an appointment, it's going to automatically follow up with that person before the appointment to make sure that they were scheduled on time. And by the way, this entire thing here, this entire pipeline and all these automations are fully set up within the Nova Echo AI already. So you don't have to worry about setting this up, which is why you can do it so fast. If the person was a no-show, it will automatically follow up with them with a new agent that is different from the one that you made with the initial call. So now with this one, it's going to say, I thought you were interested. Why did you decide not to show up to the call? Then you can send a quote. That's a manual thing because it obviously depends on what you're selling and who your customer is and blah, blah, blah. Manual follow-up with lead, won or closed. So you can move them over here if you won and you close them. And if you want to nurture them, which means that they are not ready to buy now, but they may be ready to buy in a couple months, you can move them right over here and it's going to automatically follow up with them every single month, but not every single day. So you're not going to annoy them, but you're still going to be in their mind. And then if they really just don't want your product, they're like, no, stop. Then you just put them here. Do not contact, and it will enable DND, do not disturb, across all different channels. So that's how Nova Echo AI works, and that's how you can build an agent under 10 minutes. So let's see what that agent that we just built sounds like. Okay, so I'm getting the test call right now. I'm going to pick up.
Hey, how are you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great. Why are you calling me?
I'm reaching out because I noticed you've been looking into ways to enhance your project management processes. I thought it might be a good opportunity to discuss how cloud solutions can help streamline your workflows. Have you considered a comprehensive solution for your team?
Not yet. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Sure. With Cloud Solutions, we offer a full suite of tools.
All right, you get the idea. We built that in 10 minutes and it can make sales calls and actually do genuinely amazing work and book appointments for your company. That is fantastic. It's awesome. And it's not something that has been possible for so many years prior to today. And that's freaking exciting. So if you want to get access to this, if you want to build an AI agent for yourself in 10 minutes and have it sound like that, then there'll be a link in the description to book a call with the Nova Echo AI team so you can talk to them, get more questions answered, and then eventually get set up with this software. And damn, it is freaking exciting. And if you want to see how we use the software to make 10,000 calls in one day to book appointments, then you can click right here.